Gaano ka-importante ang school, like where you graduate from?
Well, you're correct. I agree with you, Jesse, that yes, it gives you a little leg up, but it's what you do with what you have. And if you know, the president of JP Morgan, the CEO, Jamie Dimon, did not come from Harvard or Yale or Stanford. I don't know where he came from, but it's not an Ivy League school. But he is the chair and CEO of JP Morgan, number 3 in the entire United States. And if you go and ask who are the CEOs of all the top companies, not all of them are Harvard or Yale or Stanford. A lot of entrepreneurs, could are there, but in the corporate ladder, it's what you do
True.
that counts. Tama ka, Jesse.
Yes,
So
true.
for all of the mothers, your children did not go to Ivy League schools. No matter, it's what they do with their diploma, and they will be
True.
successful if you expect that, children will rise up to your expectation. Kaya, wag mo sasabihin, ikaw naman, yung parang binababa mo ang idea ng iyong mga anak.
True.
Self-esteem, hindi mo inaakyat. So, just, siyempre bantay. Bantay sa mga anak ninyo.
Yes.
Be conscious of where they are, what they're doing, etc. And expect the best from them. And because they will rise up to your expectation.
Wow.
Ayan na, very well said, guys. Makinig kayo kay Miss Lloyd.
At saka ito,
Makinig kayo kay Miss
and taking
Lloyd.